Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a topic that a lot of people are curious about, but don't always get clear answers on: how to make money with adult content. Now, whether you're thinking about creating your own website, producing videos, or even running an adult community platform, the adult content industry is one of the largest and fastest growing markets online. But the real question is, how can you actually turn this into a profitable business? Before we jump in, let me quickly introduce myself. This is ABC Hosting, the channel where we talk about web hosting, online business strategies, and everything you need to know about taking your ideas online. If you're interested in building websites, launching online businesses, or understanding hosting services, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down the different ways you can make money from adult content, the platforms and models that work best in the industry, how to actually launch your own adult content website, the key things to keep in mind for privacy, security, and hosting. And finally, I'll share my recommendation for the best hosting provider if you're planning to build your own adult site. So stick around till the end, because this video will give you a complete roadmap to get started in this field. 1. Content creation and subscriptions. One of the most popular ways people earn money from adult content is through subscription-based models. Platforms like OnlyFans or FanCentro have shown how creators can build a loyal audience and monetize exclusive content. You simply provide premium photos, videos, or even live streams, and your subscribers pay a monthly fee. The more consistent and engaging you are, the better your chances of growing steady income. 2. Adult affiliate marketing. Another very effective method is adult affiliate marketing. Many adult companies run affiliate programs where you promote their products or services, whether that's adult toys, campsites, or premium memberships. For every user you bring in, you earn a commission. This is a great option if you don't want to create content yourself, but still want to tap into the adult industry's huge demand. 3. Advertising and traffic monetization. Adult sites attract massive traffic. Once you start building your own platform, you can run banner ads, pop-ups, or direct ad sales with advertisers. Networks like ExoClick or Traffic Junkie specialize in adult ads, and you can earn really good revenue just by driving consistent traffic. 4. Premium websites and communities. If you're serious about long-term success, the real money is in owning your own adult content website. Whether it's a tube site, a membership platform, or a private community, having your own site gives you total control over monetization. You can combine subscriptions, ad revenue, and affiliate deals all in one place. But here's the catch. Mainstream hosting providers often don't allow adult content or take down your site after DMCA complaints. 5. The importance of hosting. This is where hosting becomes the backbone of your business. You need a provider that allows adult content, protects your privacy, and doesn't suspend your site just because of DMCA requests. That's why I always recommend QloudHost. Why QloudHost? QloudHost is one of the best offshore hosting providers for adult websites. Their servers are located in offshore regions where adult content is fully allowed and protected. They also provide 100% DMCA ignored hosting, meaning your site won't get taken down because of DMCA complaints. On top of that, QloudHost offers powerful VPS and dedicated servers that can handle huge traffic without slowing down. So, if you're planning to launch your own adult content platform, whether it's a streaming site, tube site, or membership-based community, QloudHost is the hosting partner you should go with. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you planning to start your own adult website? Or are you more interested in content creation platforms? Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help clear up any confusion. Alright guys, that's it for today's video on how to make money with adult content. We covered the main income streams from subscriptions and affiliates to ads and running your own site. And remember, if you're serious about starting your own adult content business, hosting with QloudHost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more videos on hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.